Hey there, Facebook, friends and family. Jason Michael Hull coming at you here today. Just wanted to make this quick live video to show you our new Impulse scanner tool that is taking our team by storm. I'm just going to ask you a quick question. I'm going to show you exactly how this works. And I'm going to ask you at the end of this little video I'm going to do, is this easy? You tell me, right? I'm not going to give you either way. I want you to see this is easy. And more importantly, I want to see if you think you can do this. I know what I think, but I want you to see it for yourself. So as you come on the session with me or on the line, on the video, whatever you want to say, let me know. Put it in the comments. We got people already streaming in. Say hello as you come on in the door. And I'm going to jump right into this because I want to just show you, right? And this is taking, like I said before, our team by storm. We've been doing this almost 7 years now, guys. This coming March, this coming spring will be 7 years helping people, almost 6,000 people, right, that we are helping. So obviously we're doing something right. We wouldn't be able to be here for almost 7 years, almost 6,000 people. Hello, Jill. Nice to see you in here, my friend. And guys, the reality is that this is probably the most excited that I have been because of what I'm seeing in the team. Guys, I've been a trader for almost 7 years, like I said before, right? But the new people that are coming on, the people that are returning to the team that are just absolutely crushing the markets, that's what jazzes me up because it's not about me. It's about you. It's about helping you to create the life that you want to create, be able to do the things that you want to do. And there is no guarantee of income here, ladies and gentlemen. You've got to come in and learn the skill, use the tools. We are here to help you every single step of the way. We are live 6 days a week to help you through this process. So I'm going to go ahead and jump on the charts over here. I'm just going to show you exactly what this is. Now, there's one part of this that I'm not allowed to show you, but I'll show you once you come into the group, and it actually even makes this process a little more simple. But for right now, I'm just going to show you exactly what we do. So let me bounce over here and share my screen so I can show you. Actually, let me just do this, give you a little bit more space. All right, here we go. So this is our Impulse scanner. So you have to be a member of the team, right, to be able to have access to this. And this is the first part of this process. Okay. And again, I'm just going to show it to you and you can make your own decisions if this is easy or not. So we're just going to start off here, right, with the Euro USD. And the first thing that I look for is I look for the strength. Okay. The strength right now is 30. It needs to be at least 30 or above, right, to take this trade. But when it was up into here, right, this morning, it was a lot higher than this as far as that goes. We're going to start off with the Euro USD. Now, the other part of this is that you want to see what direction. One of the things with trading, ladies and gentlemen, in case you have no idea about trading, you can make money. Again, there is no guarantee of money, but you can, right, depending on which way the market is going. But you need to know which way the market is going. Whether it's going up, and obviously we have some pairs that are going up a lot of times, and we get pairs that are going down. As long as you know the direction, that's the key. The key in trading is that you need to know the direction. Here's what the Impulse does. Look at all these red arrows right here. Red, 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 all the way across. By the way, this is a 1 minute, a 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour daily. They're all going down. So what direction do you think you should trade in? Down, going down. So you have the strength, right? Number one, you have all of these going in the same direction. Okay, that's what you're looking for. And then all you do is, this is how this is, right? You come over here to these charts. Now, I've got this set up, right, so that I have, what's called the Bollinger Bands, right, in this area. And we'll show you exactly how to set this up. You can change the colors. If you don't like purple, you can change the colors and whatever you want. Okay, this is how simple this is. All you're going to do is you're going to wait, right, for, let's say, for instance, a push into this upper Bollinger Band. You could actually have done it up in here as well. Okay, and all you're looking for is you're looking for the sells. You're looking for price to come below this blue line. This is a 200 EMA. And then you're looking for price to move away from that line. So for instance, in this area, maybe you saw this, but you didn't catch this trade. Okay, you could have. Let me just actually draw a quick trend line because that's one of the other parts that we do. You could have actually gotten in this trade after this bounce off of this up here, cross this 200, bam, you're in that trade. This trade actually, if you hit this, you would have gotten, if you entered right here at the end of that candle, down here to the bottom, boom, right there. Look at that, how fast that happened. This is actually a 1 minute chart, but you can use this on any time frame that you want to use this on, guys, right? So you've just absolutely crushed the market right there with that move. Your stop loss is above here. My gosh, how amazing is that? Next one, right up into here. Okay, we have this nice deep pullback, same kind of deal as I put here, but this is actually even a stronger trade because you have this big, nice pullback right into here. And what happened? It went up into the cloud, came back down. We get a nice push out of there. Okay, and you could have actually entered right here and gotten your risk to reward on that one as well. Let's keep on going. Right, we have that one over in there. We've got this one, right? Another one pushed up into the cloud up in here. Again, all you're looking for is sells. You're not looking for buys. All you're looking for is sells, right? Pushed up in there. We have a break of that trend line right there. Stop loss above here. Boom, right? That went crushed as well, right? You're in that. You could have gotten right down into that area, right? And again, this is all on the 1 minute time frame, but you can do this on the 5 minute. You can do this on the 15 minute. You can do this on the 1 hour. You can do this on the 4 hour, depending on your experience level. Okay, I'm just showing you to this as far as that goes, right? Actually, let's jump over to the impulse again, and let's just see. I want to give you an example that we have. So let's just jump up here to the EA. Now, if you notice on the EA, right, this says it's going down on the lower time frames, but up on the higher time frames. So you want to be a little bit careful with that because obviously, right, you want these all to be the same color. So all you're going to do is you're going to bounce through these. I'm actually going to sort this by strength real quick. And that's, by the way, obviously, this is a strength that's going on right now. So here's the EU, the GJ, right? Actually, the GJ was a lot stronger in strength. And I'm actually going to show you some on the GJ back a little bit ago. We just came off of our live session, our live Q&A session. So I'm showing you some of these trades that happened earlier in the day because right now is not a great time to be trading here in the middle of the day on Eastern Standard Time. All right, so GJ, right? Same kind of deal. Check all these out. It is amazing. Let's just go off of in here. Okay, we had a nice pullback into this cloud, became below this 200 EMA. Again, I'll show you how I set all this up. Okay, again, I'm going to ask you at the end of this webinar, is it easy? You make a decision, right? So we have this pullback into the cloud, we call it. You draw your trend line once you have that alarm hit, right? And there's your entry right there, right? Stop loss above the high, above the cloud. You can be, if you want to be a little more conservative, and check that out, right? Got in right at that beautiful push down, boom, right? 23 pips in this scenario, again, here on the 1 minute, that all happened in about 26 minutes. All right, done for the day. Okay, so again, pull back into the cloud. You could have done it up in here. Okay, came across the 200 EMA. You could have done it up in here. Trend line, break, push down. Right, I like this personally one better because I want it. Just actually had a break of structure. That's more smart money based. But again, as most of you guys know, I'm a smart money trader. So same deal here. Look at all these opportunities, guys. Look at this. Another one. Push up into the cloud, break structure. There's your entry right there. Let me actually zoom in for you a little bit so you can see a little bit better. This broke this structure here on the 1 minute. There's your entry right there, and take that all the way down past into here, right? And actually, you could have still been in that trade. If you put your stop loss above here, you could have still been in that trade riding this sucker all the way down, okay? So again, this is how this works. Another one, right? Look at all this opportunity. If you know what you're doing, right? We have this big, nice, beautiful retrace. This is what you're looking for. This is a retrace back into this cloud, and then boom, there's your entry right there. Take that sucker down, right? And again, you know what direction it's going in. Why do you know what direction it's going in? Because of the impulse, right? The impulse on the GJ, by the way, like I said, it was all red this morning. It was all red. So again, you know that direction it's going in, and then all you do is you're just following that direction. So that's it. That's it. It doesn't take more than that. I showed you a dozen examples, guys. I'm actually going to come off my screen share. I showed you a dozen examples of how this is. So my question to you, after just 9 minutes of seeing this, actually less than that, I think I talked for like 2 minutes before we started. Is it easy? You tell me. What do you think? Kathy says, easy enough for me to do. We got to talk. I'm ready to help you, hon. I'm ready, guys. We have people that are coming back in droves to our team. Why? Because they see that they can do this, right? I'm not telling you that it's easy or not easy. I'm just showing you exactly what we do. And like I said before, there's one little added thing that's even going to make it a tiny bit simpler. And you can do this. All you got to do is send me a message. I'll be more than happy to help you. And by the way, in case you think you missed the bonuses that were supposed to end yesterday, as a leadership team, because we're in control of this, we decided to extend it just a little short amount of time. So if you want to get the hands-on mentorship, the fast track mentorship, now is the time, right? It will be coming to an end very, very soon. So you got to send me a message. I'd be more than happy to help you any way I possibly can as well. Hello, Michael Bruce. Good to see you. And Trevor in here as well. Appreciate you guys obviously tuning in to this short video. Again, all I'm here to do is I want to help you. I want to help you to live a life that you couldn't maybe do without knowing this skill. And it is a skill. There is no guarantee of income here, guys. I want to make sure you understand that. I've been doing this for almost 7 years, right? It has been a journey for me. And the best part of what we do is we have testimonies. Oh my gosh, coming out the wazoo, as Grandpa used to say. So that just make sure that you make a decision right here today, right, to take advantage of not only the hands-on mentorship, the fast track mentorship, but also take advantage of how this is. You can do this, and we're going to be here, and I'm going to be here to help you as you go through your journey. All right, I got tons of stuff to do today, so I'm going to let you guys go. Send me a message or comment on this post. I'll be more than happy to help you. Cannot wait to see you. Love you, Team Abundance. Remember, God loves you without a shadow of a doubt, and I'll see you on the inside. Looking forward to seeing your message. Be blessed, everybody. The Impulse Scanner tool is amazing. Talk to you soon. Be blessed.